Let's talk Alphabet. It is underperforming, under pressure today, this year as well. Look at it, down 4%. So, Joe, we have Joe, Jim, Josh all own shares of Alphabet. This is on the Gemini rollout, which I think it's safe to say has been a bit of a debacle.
Yeah, this is frustrating, and it's frustrating because coming into the year, I identified Alphabet as one of the mega caps that I felt had the most opportunity to really catch up in terms of performance relative to the other ones. And I wanted to personally buy it. And thankfully, I haven't personally buy it. Look, it began with the earnings report at the end of January. The stock was around 153. The stock has never recovered from that earnings report. And there was softness in the Google ad revenue. Now we come in this morning, the stock is down 4%, and you're questioning whether, in fact, this company can be a reliable source when you're thinking about AI. And what happened last week is troublesome with Generator, and you think going forward, okay, can I have confidence in what they're doing in AI? And clearly the market is debating that right now. It's very frustrating.
Joe, excellent comments, and it is right to have questions. I'm going to give you an opinion. Obviously, we're predicting the future, folks. Can't guarantee this, but I do think the question is that, yes, you can own Google here and add to it at these levels and feel pretty confident.
Can you trust them as reliable?
You know, can you trust anything about the future?
No,
let me try to answer your question. Hang on. Okay. You interrupted me before I fully answered the question. Okay, if you go back about a year ago, it's just a little over a year ago that Bard first messed up. Remember this satellite question? You know, what satellite first photographed an exoplanet? And they got it wrong. Stock went down. It went down hard, down to like $90 a share. In the last year, the stock's up 56%, and I will grant you that's nothing like, you know, the rest of the AI stocks. I will grant you that. It is, however, 2x what the S&P 500 returned. Now, can the same thing happen here when they've had another misstep? I say yes because fundamentally, you got to go back to the beginning. This is the company that has owned DeepMind for many, many years. It is one of the pioneers in artificial intelligence. Yes, they've had some missteps, and maybe that's because artificial intelligence is hard. Maybe it's simply really innovative, and you're going to make mistakes along the way. That is part of innovation. I think Google, Alphabet has the tools in place to succeed and thrive in artificial intelligence.
Interesting, Josh, from Barron's, that it's cheap for a reason. This is according to Melius Research from a Barron's article. It's cheap for a reason. The analyst there says, though it has a moat because of search, obviously, that it's about to be disrupted. How big of a deal is this for you?
It is a big deal because in Silicon Valley, stock prices become the perception that drives stock prices in the short term can always cross over and become reality. George Soros calls this reflexivity, where actions in the prices of securities becomes the reality that these companies live in because everyone else can see how everyone else feels.
This is in that zone, it feels like, right?
Yeah. So let me not mince words. There's a problem at Alphabet. They did way too much hiring. They imported a virus. They've got people running around there, apparently at every level, who think it's their job to heal social injustices and try to fix problems in socioeconomic problems and racial issues and gender equality issues. They think they're supposed to be like using software products to heal these wounds that in some cases are thousands of years been afflicting the human race. I think these people have to either decide they want to help advance the company's interests or they have to be let go. And you watched Meta spend a year and a half firing these people. They would never say why they're getting rid of people. Of course, it's always layoffs, targeted layoffs related to getting lean and profitability. The reality is you have a lot of people in the building that have their own agenda that is not
Would you sell the stock?
What's beneficial to the company.
Would you sell the stock?
No, I'm not going to sell the stock because I think it's a fixable problem.